Alright, you guys might be noticing something is missing off of the car. And here it is. So what I actually just got done doing is taping off this surface right here. So originally this was wrapped right here, about the halfway point, and then the rest was plasti dipped. And anyways, plasti dip was going away. I wanted to fix that, and I wanted to see how well the paint was holding up underneath the wrap, which it was doing good. And then down here it took away some of the paint as well. But as you guys already know, the whole reason I covered this up in the first place was because of the little rock chips that were getting up here. So in order to hide that again, I'm going to go ahead and repaint this. So the first time it was done with plasti dip. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to do it a gloss black and see what happens. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Everything has been prepped, cleaned with soap and water. So there's really nothing on here. Nice and clean surface. And I masked off the whole bottom portion right here. And this is the frog tape. They say it's one of the better ones to use for clean lines. So we will see. And to match with the rest of the car's painting I have on here, I'm going to use the Krylon Gloss Black. So let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Alright, it is later in the day. Paint is fully dry. And we're going to go ahead and peel this tape back. See what it looks like. Alright, for the most part it looks good. There's a couple of tape residue pieces that I'm going to go ahead and get clean. But it looks like that frog tape did pretty good. These lines are pretty crisp. So yeah, we'll go ahead and clean up these little pieces right here. Get this back on the car. Alright, once you got this bottom flap attached via those two screws, you're going to go ahead and throw it on back in its original home, like so. It's going to sit right up there. So once that's in place, you're going to go ahead and throw on those 10mm nuts. There's going to be 5 of them. 1, 2 up top. And 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. So we'll go ahead and tighten those down real quick. Doing this, I realized I've come a long way from being able to film and do things with one hand. Before I probably would have put the camera down. But things have gotten a little easier over the years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tight. And next up is you're gonna throw on this little heat shield. So if you guys take a look at it, here it is. You got 3 little D clips, 1, 2, 3. Those are gonna go on the bottom. So all you're gonna do is align these 2 holes at the top, and it's got a little plastic little pop clip that sits in there. Here's one. The other one fell off, which I will have to find. It's right there, so I'll show you in a second. So it's quite easy. Here you go. There's the one. Here's the other one. Here, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, it's gonna pop right up into that little hole. You're gonna align it, Easily just pops in place like that. And these 3 little D clips are gonna be the same way. They just pop in their respective holes on the back side. Just gonna push until you hear a nice little pop. 2, and lastly 3. There you go, that thing's not going anywhere. Back in its spot, everything's tightened down. Lastly, you want to make sure you leave no tools within your hood. And you will be good, rocking and rolling. And just an update for you guys. My GFB blow-off valve, I am running it at a 90 recirculation, 10% atmosphere, and the car has been running great. So previously it was a 70-30 and I dropped it to a 90-10. It's working a little better and I still get the turbo sounds. And yeah, just a little update on that one as well. So I figured I'd show you while I'm down here, or under here I should say. Alright, there you have it. There is the new hood scoop. Looks pretty good, car's dirty, but I'll get better shots for you daylight, but looks pretty fancy, huh? Not bad. We'll see how long this paint wants to hold up for me, but yeah, definitely much needed. So that's about gonna do it for this video. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Much more stuff coming along. As always, I want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life in auto, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.